So, Martijn, one of the big topics as you walk around the floor here at the Cable Show is really delivering content to multiple screens, 3 screens, however you want to call it. What's the secret? What's the big trick to getting delivering that to all those different types of devices?
The secret, the sauce to that is the technology that you use for this. And the primary product for that is the encoding. So Elemental Technologies is a encoding transcoding company, and we utilize GPU processing to enable the adaptive bitrate streams for our customers. And part of that is also the actual packaging. So today we've launched a product called Elemental Stream that is really separating the packaging from the core processing. And the reason for that is really the mass customization that we want to create or allow customers to do at the end of the delivery. So when you get closer to the end customer, what you want to do is really optimize the content at that point. And the reason for that is that you only have to send the content across your network only once, instead of in all the individual bit rates or individual types of formats like HLS or HDS or Smooth.
So really, from that perspective, saving network bandwidth.
Network bandwidth is one of the drivers of it. The second driver is that when we initially launched Elemental Live and Elemental Server, our customers were really looking for a product that was able to do everything in one go. Our customers have moved on as well. There's still customers that want to do this, but there's also customers that say, okay, I want to do the processing at a point of distribution. So they encode the content, they store the content at that point, and at a point where they want to distribute it, that's when they apply DRM, for instance, or they are doing the actual packaging. Gives them a lot more control themselves.
Now, for Elemental, does it matter what the end device is?
No, for us it doesn't really matter. We support any kind of device. We support setup boxes, we support the Xbox, we support mobile devices, the tablets, mobile phones. The only thing that we need to know is the type of format we need to create to support it, so HLS or Smooth.
So when you're talking about a multi-screen strategy, what's the revenue model for the operators or the content providers? Because for instance, if you take HBO Go,
yeah.
I'm getting that from my cable provider, I'm not paying anything extra for that. Mm-hmm. So nobody's getting any more money for that.
It's a dual thing. HBO will be interested to deliver the content themselves, mm-hmm. but they also want to reach as much eyeballs as possible, and service providers are notorious good in packaging content and bringing it to their end customers. So HBO will have an interest in having a direct relationship themselves, but also having a relationship via a service provider. It's just another method of getting the content delivered.
And potentially attracting new subscribers because they know they can get that content on multiple devices.
Absolutely, yeah.
So how does Elemental Stream play into the whole product set for you?
Now, first of all, I mean, HBO is an interesting customer. It's an interesting reference to call because it is a customer of ours. We power all their HBO Go content. And so what HBO could do is could say, okay, we deliver the content, we prepare the content, and Stream allows us at a later point in time to encrypt the content or create it for different kind of formats. If HBO want to deliver the content via a CDN, let's just say that they will be owning the CDN. Some of the content providers may think at some point, let's build our own CDN for cost reduction purposes. At that point, they could also build Elemental Stream as part of their CDN.
Excellent. Martijn, thank you so much for joining me.
You're welcome.
Enjoy the show.
I will. Thank you very much.